Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is more about text formatting. These are both artistic texts about this, well, they are the same size, 105.7 by 105.7. So if you take the shape tool and select that, you can kern or make the text, the lines of the text closer or further apart. But you're doing it by hand. You can just click on it one time and then take this one and click on it one time, and they're equal because you clicked on it one time. But there's another way to do it. If you go, you could probably actually go to text, and text, well, right here, and open up the text menu, or you can always go to Windows Dockers text. And right down here, it's at 100%. I was hoping it would come up with line spacing, but let's make this 110%. Okay, and then if you want this one exactly the same, 110%. And now both of them, let's see, this one is 1.132 and this one is 1.132. So whenever you have to do a bunch of text around a page and you want the spacing to be the same, that's how you can do it. Right here, and you can do the same thing, inside like we did a while ago or earlier today. You could have it fully justified, which I don't really like because it spreads that out, but there are needs for that sometime. Let's just do this one and do fully justified. So you can do everything inside this that you can do up here, but there's a lot more. I mean, very easily you can change it just broadens this same menu bar, the feel, and there's probably a lot more things you could do that I've never even used it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.